Hey guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a minimum of $3,000 per month with your affiliate marketing business. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and today we're going to be basically walking through how you can actually make $3,000 a month on a minimum basis with your affiliate marketing business. So basically, I've wrote down here the goal. The goal is to make $3,000 per month online. So on a daily basis, $3,000 a month will basically break down to be $100 a day. So what you need to be doing is basically making $100 a day online to get to that minimum of $3,000 a month goal. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. I mean, you could actually sell, like a premium product, maybe a product that costs $200 and you get a 50% commission on that. So you make $100 a sale. Or you could sell like low ticket products, maybe, $7 products, cheaper, lower ticket products where you can, accumulate the $100 over multiple sales. But there's two problems with that. So problem number one is basically if you're just starting out with your affiliate marketing business, you don't have a relationship with your subscribers, you're probably not going to be able to sell, products that cost $200. If they're purchasing $200, you basically would have to have some sort of relationship with those subscribers. You would have to be delivering some value before they go ahead and spend, $200+ with you as you're marketing to them. This is something nowadays where, a lot of the subscribers, they're smarter, they're more skeptical. So they're not going to just pull out their wallet these days and just spend $200. They're a lot more smarter and they're not going to do it. Number two, we talked about, I could sell a $7 product and just make a ton of these sales. And absolutely, you could do that. The only problem is if you are just starting out, then, in order to make $100 a day, you're probably going to have to sell probably close to, 16 to, I don't know how to do the math, maybe 20 of these sales to make $100 a day. And you're also going to have a significant, list size, because you're going to need to be selling a lot of those products. So you're going to have to be getting leads on a daily basis. And a lot of people do this. They'll generate 30 to 50 new leads a day. They send a new offer every day, and then they can make those 16 sales and make that $100. So if you are able to generate leads like that and get traffic, that shouldn't be a problem. But especially with this situation, just selling $200 products, that takes some building a relationship and giving your subscribers value. So if you're just starting out and you want to get to this $3,000 mark per day, what I would suggest is doing what I like to call an Ascension funnel. An Ascension funnel basically gives you all the different components that you need in order to get to that 3K per day without like churning and burning and having to get so many leads every single day to kind of keep this going. And it allows you to build a relationship with your list so that as you're taking them through this funnel, they are starting to purchase higher priced products from you as they go along. So let me jump over to my presentation and I'll kind of go into this a little bit more. So what we're talking about is, again, this Ascension Sales system. And within this Ascension Sales system, there is 5 different products, right? So you have your free product, your front end product, your upsell products, your membership site products, and your high ticket products. Now, a good marketer is going to want to set all of this up because it just makes it easier for you to make money on an ongoing basis from leads that are coming through your funnel, because they're naturally just moving like down this funnel. And as they're moving down this funnel, they're getting more value, they're getting more training, they're starting to trust you more. And as they move along this funnel, they start to spend more, right? So basically, the free product is going to be like your free giveaway, whatever your lead magnet is. Your front end product is going to be a low ticket product where you're just kind of bringing them in, giving them that initial value. Maybe that product is somewhere between $7 and $20. And then you offer an upsell that complements that front end product so that you start to make some sales on the upsell end of it. And then you offer membership sites, which it could be additional services or training. And then there could be a high ticket product on the back of that Ascension Sales funnel that really delivers, extreme value. That could be your high-end coaching, high-end consulting services, done for you services. And these people just naturally progress from, free product to the front end to the upsells all the way down to the high ticket product. So essentially, when you're using this system, you don't have to make 16 sales a day, right? Because you're going to, for instance, say you bring in 100 leads into this free product, and out of those 100 leads, say 10 of those people get the front end offer. And then out of those 10 that get the front end offer, maybe 3 get the upsell. And out of the 3 that get the upsell, maybe 2 of those will get the recurring membership site. And then out of the 2 that get the recurring membership site, maybe 1 of them actually gets your high ticket product, right? So if I kind of put some numbers to this, just say, this was $20. Say this upsell was, $100. You got a $100 commission on that. Say on this membership site, you got a $40 commission. And then say on this high ticket product, you got $1,000 commission. So essentially, from those 100 leads that came through your free product, you could have made over $1,000 with those initial batch of leads, right? And you weren't like every single day banging them over the head trying to sell product after product, your 16, 17 products at $7. And or you weren't just wasting your money throwing, these high priced products at cold traffic. This way you gave them an opportunity to get some value from your free product. They get some more value from your front end product. And naturally, a percentage of those people that are coming through here are going to kind of continue going through the whole funnel. Now, like I said, I call this the Ascension Sales funnel, and I actually did some in-depth training on how to get all of this stuff set up, what all of this stuff means. I go more in depth into these 5 different products. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom in the description of this video. You won't even have to opt in for it. You can just click the link and go directly to that training so you guys can learn more about the Ascension Sales funnel and how you can get this set up. And hope you enjoy it. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. That's how you can make $3,000 per month online by creating a solid sales funnel that takes your prospect in from a free person all the way down to a high ticket. And with this funnel, you could make, a sale or 2 a day and do well over $3,000 a month. So just think about that, guys. So go ahead and click the link below in the description, get that training. We will see you on the next video. Remember to comment below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel before. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Peace.